This is my mom's dog. It's a cocky spaniel. Buddy, come here, buddy, buddy. See, he likes to play. See, he always likes to bite.
Having Phil in charge of this unit really sets me at ease, and I know that the products coming out of this bakery are up to the high standards that we're setting here at 7-Eleven. Now I'm heading back to New York, where I'll be working the night shift at one of our stores. One of the challenges we have is attracting folks to work on the night shift. These are the folks that are really the anchor for 7-Eleven and allow us to be a 24/7 business. The goal for me tonight is to spend time with the store clerks and really find out why they choose to work the night shift. It's important for me to figure out how we keep these folks motivated. Hey, how are you? I'm Danny. Hey, you work tonight?
My name is August.
August,
you can just follow me and I'll tell you what to do. You can change over here.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Danny, ready to work. So your job is to smile and greet all the customers, stock merchandise, and perform all the regular cleaning activities. You have to pick all cigarette cases and glass, and if you find any money, just leave it on the ground and I'll take care of it, okay?
There you go, man. There's none.
I like the work that way. Mr. Danny seems like a nice guy, but he wasn't working very hard.
Yeah, I'm getting a little tired.
So I'll make him do some work. You have to keep these restrooms clean all 5 times a night.
This night shift is a tough time to work because you're prepared for the next day.